So I need to set up my shop so that I can work in it. And for some reason they don't insulate the walls or the attic of garages in Texas. And since mine is a brick house, I can't cut from the outside and blow insulation in. It's called a drill and fill. You drill a hole, you fill it in. So this one's definitely has to be done from the inside. As you can see, I'm going out of order. There's 10 bags of insulation and the blowing machine. First off, it's good to determine where your studs are. Then we'll drill right in between the studs. It's a good idea to make sure there's not some 2x4 obstruction down there. I think we could have done the garage walls and the roof for maybe 10 or 12 bags. We went ahead and did 20 bags, 2,300 square foot house. We put an extra 6 or 8 inches on top of everything else. Doing the attic is actually pretty easy, not too messy. $600 for the insulation. The lowest quote I got was $1,500. The highest was $4,000. So saved money, but it is a mess. So you'll be cleaning for a while.